The filter and query tools are similar, but they have different purposes. The filter tool is for visualizing a subset of data on the map, while the query tool highlights and selects a subset of data so you can perform operations on it. The filter and query tools can be accessed in two different ways. There are tools on the toolbar to open each of them, or you can click on the three-dot Actions menu next to a layer in the Layers panel and select the tool from there. Note that for layers in a group, you must use the caret to drill down to the layer itself instead of opening the group's Actions menu. If you use the tools on the toolbar, you must take an extra step to choose the data source. If you use the Layers Actions menu, the tool will open with the layer already selected, such as the tax parcels. Let's try the Filter tool. I've opened the Actions menu for the tax parcels and chosen Edit Filter. Here you construct a subset of data using the available data types or fields. I can set up multiple conditions where all the conditions must be true or where any of the conditions are true. Let's start with 1. Choose Add Condition. 3 boxes appear where you can choose the data field, such as net acres, the operator, such as less than, and a value, such as 35. Click Apply and you'll see that the smaller parcels are the only visible ones. Now let's add another condition. Choose Account Type equal to vacant land. See how a valid value is populated. Click Apply. Now we have a subset of parcels shown that are less than 35 acres and classified as vacant land. From here, one thing I could do is change the symbol to better highlight the filtered records. See the Layers List video for more details on changing layer symbols. Combining filters on different layers is a powerful way to visualize data. For example, you could filter tax parcels and then filter zone districts to see how they relate. Let's do the same subset using the query tool. First, I'll clear the filter by clicking Clear and Apply. I'll close the pane with the X. Then I'll go back to the layer list and the Actions menu for the tax parcels. After choosing Query, note that you have an additional option to restrict the results to a map area. You can choose Visible Area, or you can draw a custom area, so you can zoom to an area of interest instead of returning all the parcels in the whole map. I'll use the visible area and set up the same conditions. Net acres less than 35 and account type equal to vacant land. Click Query. See how the parcels are now highlighted on the map and listed in the Results pane. Use the Results pane Actions menu to perform operations on all results, such as zooming to the selected parcels, adding to the drawing layer, and exporting to Excel. You can also view the results as a table. I'll use the Tables Actions menu to return to the list view. Just like when using the regular search tool, you can highlight, perform operations, or drill down to individual results. For both filtering and querying, you can construct advanced queries by using multiple conditions. Exploring the data fields, which you can do by examining search or query results, will allow you to fine-tune your filters and queries. For example, using the tax district field is a way to choose just parcels in Telluride or Mountain Village, while the subdivision name field restricts results to a subdivision. There is also an advanced mode for those familiar with SQL syntax. If you construct your query with conditions and then toggle advanced mode, you can edit your filter or query using SQL. Notice that an option to insert values appears in advanced mode. Expanding this provides you with the data fields, operators, and functions available. Your queries can get quite complex with these capabilities.